Matt, and then
Thanks, Rick.
thank you, sir. A couple more, and get you ready.
And here we are,
Thank you, guys.
They let you out!
They let me out of the
They let you out of the theater!
I'm a crazy man.
I can't stand you!
You look incredible.
You guys look amazing. I
He's
love
off to
this.
the king
It's
tonight.
beautiful. It's beautiful. I was like, do you want to stay? Guys, you're ready for this. Thank you. Right here?
Well, thank you so much. Do you want to come to Jamie?
I went on stage one time with a wig and nobody knew I was coming on it, and I came out looking.
Great, right? Yes!
Mr. President.
Yes.
What's going on, boys? Good. I'm glad you're coming Friday.
Oh my God!
Okay, awesome. How's your training?
Unbelievable. Come here.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the newly renovated Delacorte Theater in Central Park. It's a full circle moment since Hamilton began at the Public Theater. I'm thrilled that we premiere our film back at the Public in the People's Theater. It is the great joy of my life that I get to write things that people gather in the dark to go see. It is the great privilege of my life to get to make things with extraordinary people who make my work better. Please enjoy Hamilton. Thank you.